Turmeric is a bright yellow spice, often referred to as the golden spice, due to its vibrant color and numerous benefits. This spice has been cherished for thousands of years, not just for its culinary uses, but also for its medicinal properties. The bright yellow hue of turmeric comes from a compound called curcumin, which is known for its powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. Turmeric comes from the root of the turmeric plant, scientifically known as Curcuma longa. The plant thrives in tropical climates, particularly in India and Southeast Asia. The roots are harvested, boiled, dried, and then ground into the fine powder that we commonly see in spice jars. The process of transforming the raw root into a usable spice is meticulous and requires great care to preserve its potent properties. People have used turmeric in cooking and medicine for centuries. In ancient Ayurvedic practices, turmeric was a staple for treating various ailments, from digestive issues to skin conditions. Traditional Chinese medicine also recognized its healing properties. In the kitchen, turmeric's warm, earthy flavor and vibrant color make it a favorite in many dishes. Historical records show that turmeric was a valuable commodity in spice markets, traded extensively along the Silk Road. It is a key ingredient in many Asian cuisines, adding flavor and color to dishes. In Indian cuisine, turmeric is a fundamental component of curry powders and is used in a variety of dishes, from lentil soups to rice. In Thai cuisine, it is essential in many curries and soups. Beyond Asia, turmeric has found its way into global kitchens, celebrated for its health benefits and unique taste. Whether used in golden milk lattes, smoothies, or as a seasoning for roasted vegetables, turmeric continues to be a beloved spice worldwide. Turmeric gets its vibrant color from curcumin. Curcumin is a powerful antioxidant. Antioxidants protect our bodies from damage. They fight harmful molecules called free radicals. Inflammation is a natural process. It helps our bodies heal and fight infection. However, chronic inflammation can be harmful. Curcumin in turmeric has anti-inflammatory properties. Turmeric can help strengthen the immune system. Curcumin supports healthy immune responses. A strong immune system helps fight off infections. This can help us stay healthier overall. There are many ways to enjoy turmeric daily. Add a teaspoon to smoothies for a nutritional boost. Mix it with warm milk for a soothing golden milk before bed. Use it as a spice in curries, soups, and stews. Section 6. Beyond the kitchen, turmeric in your routine. Turmeric, a golden spice often found in kitchens, has a multitude of uses that extend far beyond cooking. Its vibrant color and earthy flavor are just the beginning of its benefits. Turmeric can be used in other ways too. You can add a teaspoon of turmeric powder to your morning smoothie for an antioxidant boost. It's also a popular ingredient in homemade face masks, known for its anti-inflammatory and skin brightening properties. And let's not forget turmeric tea, a soothing beverage that can be enjoyed any time of the day. Look for turmeric supplements at health food stores. These supplements come in various forms, including capsules, tablets, and even liquid extracts. They are a convenient way to incorporate the benefits of turmeric into your daily routine, especially if you find it challenging to include the spice in your meals regularly. Always choose high-quality supplements from reputable brands. It's essential to read the labels carefully to ensure that the product contains a significant amount of curcumin, the active ingredient in turmeric. Some supplements also include black pepper extract, which can enhance the absorption of curcumin in the body, and, consult your doctor before starting any new supplements. This is particularly important if you have any underlying health conditions or are taking other medications. Your doctor can provide personalized advice and help you determine the appropriate dosage for your needs. Incorporating turmeric into your routine can be a simple yet effective way to support your overall health and well-being. Section 7. Turmeric and use safety and precautions. Turmeric is generally safe for consumption. However, some people may experience mild side effects. These may include stomach upset, heartburn, or diarrhea. Start with a small amount and increase gradually. Section 8. Embrace the golden spice. Turmeric is a versatile and beneficial spice. Its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties promote health. Adding turmeric to your diet is simple and delicious. Enjoy the taste and reap the rewards of this golden wonder. Section 9. A healthier you, one golden spoonful at a time. Turmeric, often referred to as the golden spice, has been celebrated for centuries for its remarkable health benefits. Originating from the root of the curcuma longa plant, this vibrant yellow-orange spice is not only a staple in many culinary traditions, but also a powerful natural remedy. Make turmeric a part of your daily routine. Incorporating turmeric into your diet can be simple and rewarding. Whether you sprinkle it onto your favorite dishes, add it to soups, or blend it into smoothies, the possibilities are endless. Its earthy flavor complements a variety of foods, making it easy to enjoy its benefits without much effort. Start by adding a pinch to your meals. A small amount can go a long way in enhancing both the flavor and nutritional value of your food. Turmeric is rich in curcumin, a compound known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. By incorporating just a pinch into your daily meals, you can support your overall health and well-being. Explore different recipes and find what you enjoy. From savory dishes like curries and stews to sweet treats like golden milk and turmeric-infused desserts, there are countless ways to experiment with this versatile spice. Don't be afraid to get creative in the kitchen and discover new favorite recipes that feature turmeric as a star ingredient. Embrace the power of turmeric and experience its health benefits. Regular consumption of turmeric can help reduce inflammation, improve digestion, and boost your immune system. Many people also find that it helps with joint pain and enhances their overall energy levels. By making turmeric a regular part of your diet, you can take a proactive step towards a healthier, more vibrant life.